already. Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi dreamers!
Okay, Tia's behind me stretching. Good morning. It's early. It's 9:30. So today we decided to do workouts together, like we've posted. So yeah.
So, tell them what it's about.
Uh, it's about working out.
I mean, how many minutes?
Oh, it's only 12 minutes. It's not more than 20 minutes. It's not that long. So you have to really push yourself.
And we're gonna do it together.
Yeah.
Okay?
So, oh, and we'll also feature Mr. Sexobit, is it?
As our background music.
Yeah.
So, props goes to DJ Cowboy. Okay? Cheese. Bye.
Hi guys. So we're gonna do the workout now. You can see the both of us. So yeah, let's enjoy the torture.
Okay, ready?
7, 6, 5. Already. 3, 2, 1.
I have to move back. It burns. Hurts.
Okay. Stupid.
How many minutes more? Like a frog. It burns. You have to hold it.
Yeah.
Fuck! Started then. Second part.
Okay, my sister said she looks like frog just now. So, okay guys, that was only the first part, which was 6 minutes. This is the second part, which will also take 6 minutes. So altogether the workout is 12. As you see, okay, you cannot see, but we're dying. We have puddles of sweat here. So, second part, enjoy.
Three, 32, 31. Okay.
Oh my god, it burns. Jump.
Fuck! I can't feel my thighs!
chance one kìa. Từ the one you did up. Oh my god. Last round. What do you mean last round? What's the last one? Hi guys, we're done with our workout. It took us 12 minutes. It also took us a lot of cursing and dying. And now Miss Tia is
Officially hating designer.
I told you her workouts help.
It's worth it because it's very short, 12 minutes. You even poo longer, like my sister said, you shower longer than...
You poo longer.
She poo longer than 12 minutes, okay? So, besides, if you poo, you will smoke, so it's unhealthy to poo and to smoke. So
who smokes while pooing? Oh yeah, wait, I know.
So yeah, happy workout. Happy doing your workout.
It's only 12 minutes, guys, so yeah.
Bye!
That.
Hey, say hi to Ming.
Oh yeah, we have a cat. No.
We have cats.
No.
Oh, no.
No.
You know what? Never mind. Bye.
Bye.